Hello, TIS Home Automation family and friends. This is Sergio from Singular Motion, TIS distributor in Ireland. And in this video, I like to show you how easy it is to assign the addresses for the different TIS devices in the bus. In this case, my customer wants 12 dimming lighting circuits. So that's why we have 3 4-channel dimmers here. As you know, these are trailing edge for LEDs, and each channel has 1.5 amp for the maximum load. We have the power supply for the bus, the IP COM port, the TCP IP gateway, and at the moment we have only connected the IP port and that dimmer module to the bus. Okay, so each TIS device, each model comes with the same address, the same device ID. In this case, for the dimmers is number 47. The IP port is number 99. So I want to reassign the device IDs. This one is going to be 1, 2, and 3. Okay, so I have the IP port connected to the Ethernet card of my laptop. So if we go to the laptop, the first thing we have to do to check that the IP port is communicating with the laptop, we can do a ping to the default IP address of the IP port, which is 192.168.1.200. Okay, so we have communication. Then, in the TIS software, we need to make sure, that our Ethernet card, we assign an IP address in the range 1 dot, and obviously not 200, which is the IP port. If you have Wi-Fi also connected, so you have 2 IP addresses, make sure that in network configuration you select the one which is 1 dot and not the other Wi-Fi or any other Ethernet card in your computer. So now we do a search and we find the two devices I said that we have connected in the bus. So we can add all of them, and we have the IP port in device ID 99 and the dimmer in device ID 47 that we want to change the address. So we can put address subnet ID 1, obviously, and address number 3, save, and also the location. In this case, is in the row number 3 of the electrical enclosure. So now, device ID 3, row number 3. Now, we can, another advantage of the TIS system devices is that we have bus connections on the side. So it's as easy as joining these 2 devices, and we have bus communication. So we don't have to wire from here to here, to have communication to add a device into the bus, as any other lighting systems that they don't have this feature. Okay, so now we have this connected that we want to assign the device ID number 2. So we do another search. And there it is. So we can stop the search and add all devices, and then we have our new dimmer, which is in the row 2, and subnet ID is 1 and device ID is 2. So now there are the 2 dimmers, and now finally we join these 2. So now we have communication in the first dimmer. We do another search, and there it is. We can stop the search now and add all. So we have this one. Okay, that's located in row number 1, and subnet ID is 1 and device ID is 1. So now we have all the devices. If we do another search, okay, so now we have the 3 dimmers already identified as we wanted: 1, 2, and 3. So I hope this video, this training video, is useful for all current TIS dealers and the future, the ones who want to become a dealer. We'll see you in the next video. Bye.